explain the 5-bolt step vision canvas that helps you and your team to stay on track and to have clarity on where you want to go. So we will start with the vision. What is the vision that you and your team have, and make it smart? So for example, you can say we want to move to Bali by the end of this year, so that we can have a good innovative session there. So that could be a vision that you will put out there for the next 3 months. I would recommend don't put it beyond that, because what do we know about the future? And of course, if it's a really big initiative, you can say, okay, by the end of the year, but make it as small as possible, so it's really tangible and clear for everyone what you will do in the next 90 days. So 90 days vision. And then you will have different teams. For example, the team about tools, or the team about process, or a team about leadership, a team about structure. Can be anything, but those are the building blocks that you need to explore in more detail to reach your vision. For example, going back to our simple example, we go on a trip to Bali, we need to find out what is the date, right? So on the whole group, are we able to come to a date that we want to go? Do we know what kind of transportation that we want to have? Do we understand what kind of accommodation that we want? So those are the things that we need to explore in order to reach our vision to get in Bali by the end of the year for an innovation retreat. Then we need to explain, okay, what are the challenges that we know from this point of view? What are the challenges? Do you see any challenges that you can list down here as a team? What are the challenges in order to reach your vision that you know from here? Maybe it's finance, maybe it's your time, maybe it's a difficult team member, whatever it is, or a difficult client. Put them here on the list so everybody understands that can be a challenge in order to reach our vision. And then on the other side, we can put on the support. What kind of support do we expect from our team, or maybe people in our environment, maybe to overcome some of the challenges or other stuff that we expect in order to reach our vision? If we're all set, so we have the vision clear, we have the teams, the building blocks to reach our vision, we know what the challenges are, we know what kind of support we need, then we will go into the 5 steps. So what are the 5 main steps that you will take as a team to reach your vision? So number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A simple formula that I use is use a verb, then plus, so that, the result, and then by date X, right? This could be a simple formula to formulate the steps that you will take in order to reach your vision. So at the end of the exercise, which will take you maybe 90 minutes or 2 hours, everybody is clear on what is the vision, what are the building blocks that we need in order to build this vision, what are the challenges, and what is the support, but what is the step that we will take. The logic from your steps can be derived from your teams. For example, going back to our retreat in Bali, we will not start thinking about food before we know the date and the transportation mode. Going by bus, going by plane, going by train, there are different options to go there, right? So first of all, we need to understand what is the main logic in our building blocks, and then we can put them in here as our main steps to explore and to deliver our vision. Good luck, stay on track.